Next flow, air edger flat jet nozzles are compact, powerful, and flexible. They are very compact. They're 2 inches wide. They can be used either separately or they can be placed next to each other in a manifold. They are very powerful. They're normally used where an air knife may not have enough force to do the job in a particular application. For example, where an air knife may be able to blow off water and light debris, an air edger can blow off heavily built up dust and debris from a surface. They're very flexible because it's not a set gap. You can actually change the number of shims that maintain the gap in the air edger to a much larger gap for much more powerful force. The unit is designed to have much larger gaps than an air knife can for still to be able to maintain its efficient operation and its lower noise levels. So typically these air edger flat jets are used where an air knife simply hasn't the force to do the particular job that's required. Optional manifolds are provided to be able to place these air edges next to each other in a relatively continuous flow. We have manifolds for 2 pieces together, 4 pieces together, 6 pieces together. And special manifolds have been made for much more, a greater number of units when necessary. The air edger flat jet comes in either a cast zinc version or in a 316L stainless steel version for those environments where stainless steel is required, such as highly corrosive environments, high temperature applications, or food applications. The air edger flat jets provide an extremely powerful concentrated force. The design is based very much on the extreme air blade air knife design, which has proven to be extremely efficient on the market for many, many years, but with the internals designed in such a way that you can have much, much wider gaps. You can have up to 3 pounds of force created from an air edger flat jet, enough to be able to move some pretty significant material in a very heavy blow-off application. They are 2 inches wide. Other versions are being developed for different widths. The most common application has been in very heavy industry, where such as the resource industry, to blow off dirt from conveyors, for example, in mining operations. They've been utilized in areas where you cannot get close to the material that has to be blown off. Because of the extra force and the strong laminar flow created from the air edger, it can give a very significant blow-off force even at a large distance away, up to 12 inches away from the air edger. So very flexible in use because you can vary the gap. Because of its strong force and laminar flow over a large distance, it can give you the necessary force required for many applications that an air knife or even other flat jets cannot do. Most flat jets that are on the market that utilize compressed air usually are a series of holes. They're not necessarily all that efficient. They may not even meet OSHA standard, which the air edger flat jets do meet. So the flexibility, the safety, and the ability to work at even a distance to give you a very good strong blow-off force make the next flow air edger a very popular device.